In life, we all want to be an attractive person. In life, we all want to be a charismatic person. But many of us don't know how to become an attractive person, how to build that kind of personality that it attracts other people. So today, in this video, we are going to talk about how you can build an attractive personality within yourself. So here we have some points. Here we have some common points. If you just keep your focus on these few points, it will make you a different kind of person in your life. It will make you a strong person. It will make you a strong and attractive person. So hello and welcome. My name is Samir Malik and I am the founder of SM Spoken English Academy. In our academy, we help hundreds of people, hundreds of students and professionals to build their personality, to build their communication skill, to build their body language. In this video, we are going to do the same, that how you can build an effective personality within yourself. So let's start this video. Okay, the first thing that you have to do if you want to develop an attractive personality within yourself is that you have to build a strong communication skill. This is the number one. This is the starting of building a good and attractive personality. If you are not a good communicator, if you are not a good speaker, then I hope the rest of the things will be meaningless for you. If you want to create the kind of image of yourself into the mind of others, then you have to be a really good communicator. Only a good communicator, only a good speaker, he knows how to build an effective personality among others. If you are afraid to talk with people, if you are afraid to express yourself to others, then it is hard to build an effective personality. First thing that you have to do is that you have to develop a good communication skill. You have to develop a solid communication skill. No matter what the situation you are in right now, you have to speak with confidence. You have to speak with enough of authority, and that will make you an attractive person. And here, point number 2, it is also very important that you have to understand that use your body language while you are conveying your message to others. Using body language is one of the most vital things that we have to maintain, but majority of us are not paying attention to this. Just imagine that you are in a conversation and you are just standing still and just speaking like, today I want to share something and it is important, and how will other people feel? They really feel disengaged, they really feel boring, they really feel not connected with you. If you just use some of your body language, if you just use some of your hand gestures, some of your eye contact properly, it can actually increase your engaging level. People will connect with you. People will feel more interest in your personality. But we are not using our body language properly. Just try to imagine, right now I am shooting this video. So I am using at least the amount of body language I should use. So I am using my hands to convey my message. I am using all these eye contact properly so that at least it can engage other people. At least other people feel like, yeah, that person has some good personality. So using body language is really important. Never speak without having a proper body language. Point number 3. This is also very important, but most of us actually we skip that. When we speak, we do not speak with our emotion. So we have to make sure that when we speak, we have to speak with our emotions. So what does that really mean? Does it mean that we have to speak crying mode? We have to speak in a very sad mode? This is the kind of thing that we are going to do? No. We have different kind of emotion in our inner feelings, like happiness, excitement, and joy and sadness. A lot of things, upset and depressed. A lot of things are there. So your job is to, when you try to explain anything like that, let me give you an example. If I talk about my struggle, let's for example, I want to tell you about my struggle life, about the struggle that I have been going through. Is that kind of, so I started my career as an spoken English teacher, and there I faced a lot of problem. I was not doing properly anything. I was so much upset, I didn't have any other idea that how can I grow in my life. So this is how you have to notice that because I am talking about my struggle phases, so I have to lower my voice and speak accordingly. It makes my word so much dense, so much serious about that because I am talking about some serious issue. That's why I am using my low voice, my deep voice. And suddenly, if I want to talk about there's something happened that changed my life. And one day, one thing happened that actually changed my entire life, that changed my view, that changed everything in my career. So because this is something that we are talking about excitement, that's why I just put my voice higher. Why? It shows the excitement. So this is how you have to use your emotional tone. You have to use your emotion while you are speaking with others. If you talk about something very serious, just lower your voice. If you talk about something exciting, something kind of that makes you feel happy, you can upper your voice. You can make your voice tone a little bit upper. Let me recap. What are the three things that you have to do to make yourself an attractive person? The first thing, build a solid communication skill. Number two, use your body language while you speak with others. Number three, always speak with your emotion. Let other people feel that how you feel. So these are the three things. If you just follow that, you will be a completely different person. You will be completely a charismatic person than your previous version. So I hope you like this video. And if you did, please subscribe our channel, SM Spoken English Academy. And if you want to develop your communication skill, your body language, your any kind of professional skills, then you can contact us with this number and we are always ready to help you out.